Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 26 reads as follows. The diagram shows a cube with the edges of length x and a sphere of radius 3 centimeters. The surface area of the cube is equal to the surface area of the sphere. Show that x equals the square root of k pi, where k is an integer. So I have been given the formula for the surface area of a sphere, but I need to find the surface area of a cube, which is 6l squared, where l is the length, because it has 6 faces and each face has an area of l squared. So in this case, the length is x, so it's x squared. Then I've been given the formula for the surface area of a sphere, and then I can substitute the radius of 3 into that. So 3 squared is 9, then 4 times by 9 is 36. And as I know both of these are equal, I can set both of them equal to each other. Then I can divide by 6 on both sides, and then I can square root. And if I check, that is in the form x equals the square root of k pi, as k equals 6, but it hasn't asked me for the value of k, so I would just leave it at that. I can subscribe for more GCSE math related videos.